Alexandra Sokolova, real estate agency income Mersin. If you want to fully immerse yourself in traditional Turkish color, then this offer is for you. The villa, as the Turks call it, is essentially a triplex, meaning a villa for 3 owners, but with its own territory and its own large, excellent, deep pool. 3 floors. And this is our roof. Here are the solar panels, and the sea is nearby. It's literally the second house from the sea. So, watch, like, and leave your comments. Let's go have a look. About the location. These are the 3-story houses. The sea is really close, and there's genuinely a good sandy beach here. This is Mezitli. We are on the roof. Here we have solar panels. So that, well, 90 to 95% of the time, you have your own hot water. For free. From the sun. It's enough on a winter day, and also suitable when it's not very sunny. The roof can be utilized. You can set up tables, chairs, and everything else on the roof. Watch others swim. Surrounded by pine trees, palms, and greenery. Such a usable roof with a sea view. Let's go down and see what we have on the lower floors. A new, cool, convenient wooden staircase. You will be pleased with the size of the parents' bedroom. Such a huge master bedroom. There are mosquito nets and its own exit. So, it opens to its own exit onto a large semicircular balcony. Here's a little storage room. Oh no, this is the bathroom, sorry. It's quite large, I got a bit lost here. The master bathroom. Here will be the shared bathroom. It's freshly renovated like this. Children's bedrooms. Here's a study room like this. To excel in studies. Another room. There is access to the balcony. I liked the purpose of the rooms. On the second floor, we have a party area. A communal area. The bedrooms are upstairs. This is our kitchen. Also, a kitchen dining room. Fresh kitchen set. Stone countertop. A small living room or a small bedroom. A large hall. Access to such a beautiful terrace. A program, perhaps. Here's a little pantry. If it's not enough, you can make a bathroom here. That's what I would do. And the lower ground floor is presented with these interesting old-style doors, painted in a fashionable grey color. Large wardrobes in the hallway. A bathroom at the entrance. a pantry, and access to such a large swimming pool. Cool, deep, in the shade. There's even your own territory. The area is small, but you can grow your own cabbage, radishes, onions, things like that. A separate, secluded little gate. There is a second exit to another street, a little gazebo for picnics. Or it's great for enjoying cool drinks after coming out of the pool. What do you think about this offer? Other current offers can be found on our website. Visit, have a look, and we will also provide you with a personalized property selection in Mersin. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Love you and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.